So, what do you get with the NewPoint annual service kit? You get 4 gaskets for your lid. You get the lid itself. You get all the fittings and fixtures that you need to complete a small build. And you get a cable. So, to do this, you're going to need a 12mm spanner and a 17mm spanner or socket. So, to build it, take your lid and put the base nut through the hole. Once you've done that, you get the downtime washer, place it over your threads and the nut. Just nip that up a little bit with the socket. After you've done that, you put the cable end of the cable over the base and attach your air control valve. Again, just nip that up. You don't need to over tighten it, you're just nipping it up. On the inside, you'll need to unpeel the backing off the gasket. Just carefully place that over inside and press. That's what it should be like. Once you've done that, you need to take the 2 O-rings off the end of the nozzle of the spigot of the gun and replace them with the 2 new O-rings.